My people, how now day? Welcome to today Oboges News. My name is Tireme Ayu David, Diawamialu, one of the universe. My people, today we get Oboges News we want to talk about. But before we talk about the news, just help me subscribe. You can't never subscribe. Now, don't see I'm always in different team. Make I tell you make you happy. Because if you subscribe to it, you're gonna be full of joy. And they subscribe to this video. That one for the people who never first subscribe. You went off and subscribe, not touch and give me no busy. You go subscribe, unsubscribe yourself for the subscription when you first subscribe. But subscribe is free. The reason they say, as we they don't put on, you're gonna get them as we they put on. Now it because they say, may you subscribe so that you can help us, we will help you. You do for me, I do for you. That is why dog, no dog now. Dog in my mind. This one will fall this one, this one will fall this one. They say this one hard, watch this one, watch this one. It go clean. Now because they tell you say make you subscribe so that they get them and we the chunk will they give you and it will I know we lie to you, we will see the high for our YouTube so much more. And the reason I be that one. My people, now we will go into the news. We will see how the matter it be. My people, this matter they boil my belly. Not be say it they boil my belly because Nigerians don't talk to sheep without shepherd. Now you don't speak there. They don't say Fulani, if they carry the stick, they take they control their cow. Then they get person when they lead them with that. They get person when they control them. But Nigerians, especially Nigerians when they are abroad, in fact, let me not talk about the one when they Nigerians when they Nigeria. But I want to talk about the one when they say they even they are abroad. They don't be like people when they be say they don't do their own mouth to himself. They be like sheep without shepherd. This one bring me to what it don't happen for Italy for a very long time now, for so many months now. When it be say the Italian post pay don't ban Nigerians from opening postal pay. For all the nationality now, only Nigeria they know they feel they open postal pay. Every other country feel open postal pay for Italy. But as long as you say you be Nigeria, if we even reach back say you want open, they'll first of all use one eye to look you because you black. The reason why they use one eye they look you like this, the one fair no say whether in Nigeria you be because they suspect every black to be Nigerian. Now when you come bring your document come out, they say document as you bring the document come out, they just check and say that Nigeria the story don't change. You first tell them say you want open a bank account too, but they don't tell you say you can't open. But for the first say you bring Nigeria now, you don't bring Nigeria document come, your story don't change. They will never open for you. Now, waiting till they happen for Nigeria for very long time. And I be sorry, not be Nigeria. They happen to Nigeria for very long time now in Italy. Nigerians in Italy now, they know they feel. Even the one when they first get, then they block some. So that your money will just be inside, they will just block them. People are crying. Now, the problem is this. We get ambassador. See, all these things they happen, the ambassador never talk. Not even a statement from the ambassador. Nobody from the embassy say, okay, as an embassy representative, now I can talk this word, take condemn the action, say that this thing. And they what they call the ambassador, you have right to speak with the Italian government because you are the person the government of Nigeria sent to represent the Nigerians in the country. So all these things they happen to your citizen, you not fit say a word. You dey there, they break eye like puff where you not done well. That one good though. That one make I leave am for there. But another one when it comes to they choke me for Isabella, now the one when it be say they call themselves the Nigerian community president in this Italy. We have a regional president. We have the national president. None of them don't talk with any single word concerning this issue. Okay, now how are you presiding over the people of the land? That you say these are my people now, these people now are the president over. Issue when I fed them, we are not going to talk about them. una no go say anything, una no go do anything. Una just dey there. They bear the name president. We have now this president are they call the national president of the Nigeria community in Italy, and they call the regional president in Italy, especially the regional president of Campania, Lazio, and every other regional. When it be say una dey there, all these things they happen, nobody fit talk or say a word, and Nigerians have been put in a, I don't know what I will call them. They can't do anything. This one and many things when they happen to Nigerians in the country, nobody they talk, nobody they say anything. Now I call on the Concerned Nigeria Forum, the Concerned Nigeria Forums. Please, Concerned Nigeria Forums, make una take this matter to the place where it's supposed to be. We are concerned Nigerians. We should be concerned about things when they happen to the Nigerians when they this country. And they call on the Concerned Nigeria Forum. Please, the Concerned Nigeria Forum, make una take this matter to the Nigerian government in Italy. That is the ambassador or the president that are representing the Nigerians in Italy. Please take this matter from them. I know you people have been trying, you people are doing your things, you are trying to make sure that the Nigerians are living where the Nigerians are doing, get what they need. The Nigerians are to be, the priority of Nigeria is your concern. That is why the name, the Concerned Nigeria Forum, is there. Please, I am calling on you, the Concerned Nigeria Forum. I beg all of you, please, put this matter on table. Call the ambassador. Call the president of the Nigeria Forums in Nigeria's community in Italy. This matter is getting out of hand. Only Nigerians, I call this racist. To me, if you like, sue me to anywhere, I call this one racist. So if only Nigerians cannot open postal pay, for example, you want to tell me say all the Nigerians are criminals? I not be criminal. Me I not be criminal. I know say many Nigerians will not be criminal in this Italy. They are doing their things, but they cannot open the postpaid that every other country can open. And Nigerians are quiet. This one I'm waiting when we say we're not supposed to be quiet on. I called the ambassador, I called the presidents, I called the Nigeria, the Concerned Nigeria Forum. Please take this matter and make sure say the Nigerians have been they stop marginalizing Nigeria. So, my people, as we see this matter reach, now be this one. Now come say, they can tell now. See how the matter if they work out the be. We could go to the other news. My people, another bonus don't come out. The one where they call Escrow. Yes, now Escrow, I correct. Escrow, 800 euro. This one at 800 euro. You see. Now, one thing I tell like this Western one, be this one, especially Italy, when we say sometimes they take their news. Italy, when we say then they try to give bonus to everybody. So they don't release another bonus. This bonus when Italy release, now Escrow they call them. Escrow, yes. Now the name be that one where they call them. So how this matter they work now? 800 euro. No, in fact, the thing are from 250 euro to 800 euro. Because I remember we always try to explain how the thing they be so that you will know how they go. But this one are for people when they say they get back tarifa. That is people when we say that they pay tax. People when get autonomous, when don't put their document for autonomous. When they say me don't take, don't stay, the autonomous don't take like 4 years. You don't take when you pay the tax. So now the people when we say they'll fit do this one, now it be this one. And then they also talk and say the money not be say the money just be everybody will just get the same amount. No, you know how they normally do their thing. Depends on how much you they pay. Depends on the kind of things when it be say you they do. Now your money will take, but the money will not be less than 250 euro, and the money is no more than 800 euro every month. They pay you when the month just come, the money will jump enter your this there, and money will jump enter. You see, the people when they say that time that they fear to pay tax when they run for tax. The time don't come away. People when they say they pay tax, they want to enjoy them. In case you see they fear for tax, no fear. Time they come when you tear also enjoy your own, you go get the benefit. So the people when, as I tell before, the people when you go feel roll for this one, because I dey talk this one for not be for Italian, I dey tell. So I dey tell the immigrant. That is why I want just stay on the one where we say it concern the immigrant for this matter. So if Italian want here, make them go listen to Italian. Me, I dey vex. I want talk to only the immigrant. In case the immigrant they when they say no, they hear the word when they talk. You fit tell them. No say that one be the problem when we get. If we know something, we don't want to make other know. And this ones that they talk and many know will be sharing, so that their brother no go see them. So I dey tell you now, share them so that your brother or your sister or your friend they go see and they go know what in day. So the money now from 250 euro to 800 euro now they pay, but the person must be say enough they receive cittadinanza. Ready to the cittadinanza. If they don't they pay you ready to the cittadinanza, not just go there. Not go there. You know, they not go do anything. With this one, I still remember saying the ready to the cittadinanza problem don't do. Una know the same call of una con the una when it be say una fair una never reach 10 years. Una can't go do the matter. They don't call una now make una go block them or you report yourself. But I tell you, better you block them before they call you or they come for you, so that you will get you will defend yourself. But don't be that one I will talk now. I will definitely talk about that one separately, how it be, how you can do it, how you can block it. But the truth be said that the money when it be say they approve now, I will talk the 800 euro. So the people when we say they federally receive cittadinanza, if you never return years, go block and so that you receive this one. So if you receive cittadinanza, say your host they read, they not only pay you. They will say you the federal benefit for government. You know if you use 2 hands take chop for 1 plate. Now 1 hand you go take chop, you use the other hand to hold the plate to make it not throw away. So not this say you will use 2 hands take chop this one. So now only one now you will fit chop. So they say that those people now will feel benefit. So that those people will feel benefit and I be that one. My people, if case you they qualify, you know where to go. Go to CAF. So when you reach CAF, CAF will tell you the rest thing that you need to do. Then they will do it for you. My people, as we see and reach now be that one, you know, as we take here, now we tell you now, we will go to the next news.